This is probably the most asked question in Final Cut Pro transition history, which is that we all know that you can add a transition between two clips, like a cross dissolve, and it will fade from the first clip into the second. What's clear here is that it's actually using material from the second clip very early on in the dissolve, because you can see that green color, that it's actually using material in the water clip before the water clip actually begins. So in other words, there has to be handles or extra material. If I press S to get my slip tool and click on the second clip, you can see by this ghostly brown outline that indeed there is material before the cut point on the second clip. And if I click on the first one, you can see indeed there is material after the cut point on the first clip. But what if there wasn't? Let's slip this first clip content over so that it ends right at the end of the media, and the water clip begins right at the beginning of the media. So if I double click the oil clip, you can see that sure, there's handles at the beginning, and here's the clip in the timeline, but the out point is right at the end of the media. There is no more media after this. And same with the water clip. There is no media before it. It starts right when the media file on the disk starts. Well, now if we try to add a cross dissolve, we'll get the little X saying, nope, can't do that. We try to add transition, it'll say insufficient content for edit. So since we don't have any handles, we don't have any material before or after the cut point, we can't add a transition. So you can either use the slip tool to fix that if you don't want to change the duration of your clips, and that works in your edit, or you could use the ripple tool and ripple this first clip back a little bit and the second clip back a little bit, and now we can see that sure enough we have plenty of overlap and we can add the transition.